Hi there, this is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to fill in your tax information in Amazon Affiliate. And this section will be showing you how to fill in your tax information in Amazon Affiliate. So first of all, you will have this notice after creating the account. Just head on to tax information. The first one is choose your tax classification, whether business or individual. In this context, we are, in our case, it's individual. Are you a U.S. citizen, U.S. permanent resident, green card holder, or U.S. alien? You can select yes, no, or I'm not sure. Select no. Are you acting as an intermediary, agent, or other person receiving payments on behalf of another person? No. Tax identity information. Okay, so next you just select your country of citizenship. You fill in with your full name and confirm that the mailing address is the same as permanent address, and also opt for another one. Here we'll keep it the same. At the bottom in here, you need to fill in with a non-US TIN or a US TIN. If you have one, just put it in here. Otherwise, you just uncheck this one in here, and you will be provided with other options, like the country where I am liable to pay tax does not issue TINs to its residents. That's the case. Then just hit it. After that, you just hit continue. More information will be asked, so just proceed, which are related to the income. Location of services performed. In our case, you just select your case. In our case, we'll select all services will be performed outside the US, or all of them they are inside, or partially performed inside and outside, depends. Percentage, this will change all the options. Here we will opt for all services performed outside the US. Let's check here for providing electronic signature. And these are the terms. I certify that I have the capacity to sign for the person identified on line 1 of this form. And here your signature, which is your full name. Here you can change the date into day before or after, depending on your time zone. Good. Now we are done. Let's hit save and preview. Good. That's your tax information. Great. So your tax information has been validated, and you have been assigned to 0% withholding rate. Great. Well done. Let's go back now to the dashboard. Great. So as you can see, the tax notes has disappeared, but you still have another notes which is related to the payment information, where you will need to add your payment details. Here you can add the bank account. Just add a new bank account and select your country. These are the different countries which are accepted in the system. And that's it. This way you have created your Amazon Associate account successfully without any problems, and you have verified it. And now it's time to start earning money by starting referring people and recommending products. And that's what we will be covering on the next section in our course. Check our full course of Amazon Affiliate Program Success from Zero to Hero from the links below, with accredited completion certificate at a discounted price for a limited time. All the links will be provided below. Till then, this is your host, Isdin. Peace.